Do you want to find your TikTok drafts, but you're not sure where they are? I'll show you the complete step-by-step process, so make sure you watch this video until the very end. The first thing which I will do is to open the TikTok app on my device, and then I'm going to upload a video real quickly, and then save it as a draft, because I don't have none. I have this video as an example, so when you get to the final page, where you need to upload the video, then just tap on this Drafts option at the bottom left, and your TikTok will be saved as a draft. I will now exit my app completely, and when you do want to find your TikTok draft, just hop over to your profile page, and your drafts section will be located at the top left corner of the posts. When I click here, it will open all of the drafts which I had saved on TikTok, so I can continue editing them and upload to my account if I want to. If this guide was useful to you and you would like more similar videos like this one, then please consider subscribing to my channel, and I will see you soon.